Should you pay extra $200 for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit Legend Edition? Let's find out.
Do you want to take your mobile photography to the next level? Do you want precision, control, and the feel of true camera in your hands? What if you could turn your smartphone into a pro-level shooting machine? With customizable controls, real shutter feedback, and seamless integration, this isn't just an accessory, it's a game changer. This is Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit. Are you ready to be a legend?
I was thinking for whom it might be beneficial to pay extra $200 for this Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit, and I think can be very good complementary for the photographers who are carrying all the time the big bulky DSLR cameras, and sometimes they just need to have something small in their pocket, but they used to use physical buttons like this. If you are this person, if you are a photographer, then perhaps you can invest into this grip. By the way, also you get a really cool style for your phone case. It's very unique and looks really nice. I've been using this Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit for a couple of days now, and I found some advantages and actual disadvantages of it. Well, first of all, when you are wearing gloves, this extra grip that you get in the special kit edition provides you like extra grip for better holding of the phone in its case. And also, you can operate with your camera just using the controls, like the physical controls, and not the UI display. When you put the grip on, you should not forget to lock your grip on your camera using this lock control. But this is my main concern about this entire Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit. Can you imagine this lock mechanism broke? It means that your camera will just stuck with this extra grip. Put it on. I really hope that this lock mechanism is reliable and it's not gonna broke.
At the bottom of this block, you have a USB-C port for charging and also indicator for the camera while it's charging.
Perhaps my favorite part of this Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit Legend Edition, the adapter ring, the one that you can see red around the camera, is exchangeable, and in the package, in the kit, you will find actually the real 67mm adapter that you can attach in the real filters 67mm from your photo camera.
If you want to remove this adapter, you need to press this button and then just screw it to the right, so then the adapter is off. If you want to put it in, you need to make sure that this red indicator fits to the black indicator on the case itself, and then just screw it to the right until you hear the click, and it's ready.
I have a set of ND, CPL, UV and other kind of filters, and in the next few videos I will show you how to use ND filters in the pro mode with Xiaomi 15 Ultra, so don't forget to subscribe. Xiaomi sent me this photography kit Legend Edition for free, just like a gift for purchasing their Xiaomi 15 Ultra. At the same day I also got a Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. I must say I'm super happy how they attract the new customers. The special grip on the photography kit is also an external battery with 2000 milliamperes that might give you up to 20% of the power to your phone.
As soon as the grip attaches, a model pops up on the screen confirming the connection. Here you'll see options to update the grip's firmware and adjust in settings. Inside the settings menu, you can customize the shutter button, the quick launch, and check battery levels. The grip also supports firmware updates, ensuring long-term performance and compatibility. With intuitive controls and seamless integration, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra photography kit elevates mobile photography to the next level. So this is how the fully assembled kit for Xiaomi 15 Ultra looks like. This is kind of a special finger holder, let's say, for more comfortable usage. Also are screwed in the cap for a shutter button. And a couple of things I want to show you how you can use all this buttons. First of all, I want to say that this photography kit the best suitable if you are going to film in the landscape or horizontal mode, because it's not really comfortable to keep the camera like this. It's really cool to keep it only like this, because you have like a special grip in your hand and your camera fits really well in your palm. Also, the wrist strap or security of the camera on your hand, I think this is something really important, especially when you are filming with multiple cameras like I'm doing now. We have this button, actually this little trigger here, that allows you to zoom in and zoom out, and that's how it works. You have a slow zoom and quick zoom. If you trigger it to the left, it will zoom out. If you trigger it to the right, it will zoom in. If you trigger it quick to the right, like I'm doing now, as you can see, it switches automatically from 1x to 2x. Now I just trigger it again, it goes to 3x, now go to 3x, now to 10x, 30, 60x, and 120x. The same when I trigger it to the left, it also jump automatically. For example, you can do it very slowly and gently, just like not to fully to the right or to the left, just a little bit. In this case, your zoom will be very slow and gentle, and you can operate with it slowly. You don't need to do anything on UI. In order to take the picture, you made the pre-press of the shutter button. First, it makes the focus. You see this appearing of the yellow rectangle on the screen. When you press it again, without releasing the button, the picture will be taken. In order to switch to video mode, you just need to press this video button once. You see, the camera now switched to video mode and the video recording started immediately. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, the same approach as I just described for the photo. You can do it quickly or you can do it like very gently, down to 0.6. You can also use this button to stop or start the recording. So this wheel is for exposure value. Let's say you want to play a little bit with your exposure, the image brighter or darker. You cannot change the exposure while filming, you need to do it in advance. Change the exposure to -0.7 and now let me just put it to +0.7. And also the same wheel can be used to scroll and review all your previously taken pictures. As you can see, I start scrolling to the right and I'm navigating through the album. Just take a look how beautiful pictures I've just taken with this camera. Every time I use it, I'm amazed with how quality of the photos is just amazing. Now if you want to get back to the camera again, you just need to press this button and that's it.
I can also say that holding the phone using special grip is even a bit easier. So I'm filming now in 4K 30 FPS and let's see how it will look like then, is there any shakiness or not. We know the Xiaomi 15 Ultra has a very good stabilization and I'm filming now without any extra action mode on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This is just a regular mode. I also like very much that you get the wrist strap because you can secure your camera on your wrist while walking and not worry about it, it will fall on the ground. I must say that even using this photography kit without a special grip, the design of the case is very unique. I think it even looks and it even feels more better and comfortable to keep it in hands rather than protection cases that you will get in the package with Xiaomi 15 Ultra. I was mentioning already, trying different ND filters, fluorescent filters, also CPL, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It looks and it works really great. If you'd like to know more how to use them, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and you will see it in one of the next episodes. Let me know guys if any of you have been using this photography kit for Xiaomi 15 Ultra or maybe for 14 Ultra, because this is the second edition and it was firstly introduced for Xiaomi 14 Ultra, but this year Xiaomi has released a special Legend edition. Seems like sub-zero temperatures are back to Europe. I need to finish this episode because my fingers are freezing. I just cannot hold my camera anymore, even in the gloves. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and see you in the next one. Enjoy photography. Bye.